How are you?
I'm doing good. I got some tension in my lower neck,
Okay.
upper back area, CT area. It feels kind of stiff when I bend sideways.
All right, sounds good. Let's take a look. You can go ahead and lay face down.
All right.
Any tightness when I bring this way?
Yeah, they're both equally stiff,
Yeah.
but I think maybe you're right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna come from here. Hold this. Good. And one more from the other side. Good. And how's that feel? Any change there?
Actually, no, it's still
Still locked up?
kinda stiff.
Okay, so let's come from this direction. I'm gonna bring this one down and over. There we go. And same thing on this side. Good. Okay. How's that feel? Any looser?
Maybe a little bit.
Okay. So now when I push here, do you feel any tension in the back?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we're going to do is I'm going to have you lift your head up, and now I'm going to come from behind. I'm going to push this bone straight down. Okay. This is coming straight down. Good. That feel okay?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Okay. And that's moving better. Does that feel better for you?
Yeah, it's a bit better.
A bit better. And we got to do this while you're on your back. A little tightness right here when I push.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then coming from the lower back, any tightness right there. A little, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to come on either side of this bone. Take a small breath in and hold it. Good, and all the way out. Good. You felt that one move, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. One more right here. Good. Little breath in and hold. And all the way out. Let's do a couple drops on it. So we're going to lift the table up. It's going to fall down right here. Does pressure feel okay with my hand like this? Yeah. Okay, we're coming straight down. Good. Pressure's okay? Two more, just like that. Is that bruise feeling going away?
Yeah.
Wonderful. And this right leg is short. So any tenderness in the glute region when I press right here?
Yes.
Yes, okay. And how about up top on the left? Is that a little tender, worse than the right?
The right's more tender.
Right's more tender here. Okay, so everything on the right side. Go ahead on your side, facing me. We're gonna correct the pelvis. Gonna give this bottom arm a little pull. Hold that top elbow, bend the top leg, and keep this bottom leg straight while we roll you towards me. Good, and this side of the hip's gonna come down towards the ground. So just let this kind of roll towards me. And one more here. There we go. Turn and face the other way. And this is coming up and over. There we go. One more. How's that thrust feel?
It's better.
Better? Okay. Okay, and the feet are even. Let's double check the tender points. Any change right here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And how's this right side?
Yeah. Better.
Yep. Good. Awesome. And then back to this. That one still feel better?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And how's it feeling through here?
Good.
Beautiful. Okay, flip over onto your back and we'll get that. Okay, bend the knees, feet flat on the ground, hands behind the neck, bring the elbows together. Perfect. And we're gonna roll you up towards me. Good, and then we're gonna small breath in all the way out and bring it down.
Good.
Perfect, okay. And you can rest the legs if that's comfortable for you. Hands on the belly. Okay, and how's your neck feeling today?
Not bad.
Any tenderness on this point right here?
No.
Okay. And how about lower? Any tenderness when I push here?
Yeah.
Yes. So we will start here and then work our way down.
Okay.
So for dock, we know we want to start from the anterior and bring this bone over. So, and this is gonna come over. Good. Felt that one move? Any change there?
Yeah, much
Okay.
better.
Up towards the ceiling. Let this head just bend and rest. Good. And let's check that one. Any change on that spot?
Good.
Okay. All right, we're gonna do a lift and a pull. Any pain in the low back with that?
No.
Okay, one more. Okay. Now slowly stand and test out your new spine.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.